Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I asked ChatGPT, what are the odds that a 60-year-old man could do 22 finger pull-ups? It responded, the odds of a 60-year-old man being able to perform 20 pull-ups using just 2 fingers of each hand would be extremely low, approaching nearly impossible. It would require an extraordinary level of finger and grip strength that is rarely achievable, especially at that age. Well, for those that follow longevity, you know very well that grip strength is considered a biomarker of how long a person lives. This is why I train my grips. Okay, as you can see on the screen, I'm doing 20 pull-ups with 2 fingers. Now, ChatGPT, ChatGPT 4 has access to millions and millions of data, scientific studies, things that have to do with exercise, sports. It has access to everything that's public information. And it said that it's nearly impossible for a person my age to be able to do this right here that you see on the screen, the 20 pull-ups. Now, I'm laughing. You know why I'm laughing? Because I just fooled ChatGPT once again. Now that I see this, I am going to do 25 of them. Forget 20. I didn't know that was nearly impossible. Now I'm going to jump it to 25. Stay tuned for upcoming video on this. Have a great day. See you soon. I have some interesting videos coming. Have a great day. Stay healthy.